Chinese village love. Looking outside. Oh, I captured this very beautiful moment. It was so good. This is used for cooking. Okay, here was where I stayed. That was my bedroom, my toilet. So, okay. Yeah. And this is roasted corn. Roasted corn. Okay, we're cooking some fish, And this was my kitchen where I kept my plates. Oh, I call this. This was the day I went to the market. The market, okay? I met this woman. I met her. I got this. Oh my goodness, so scary. He was trying to dive in, and I got this very cutie. So beautiful, very beautiful. I also caught this on camera. So nice. And this, oh my goodness, so sweet. I got these children, playing. It's so fun. And this is where it looks so dreamy. So dreamy.